10 cheapest British foods that actually fill you up. If there's one thing Britain has quietly mastered, it's the art of eating well on very little. Long before supermarket meal deals and viral budget recipes, British kitchens were built around foods that stretched pennies and kept people full for hours. What counts as cheap can shift with time, location, and personal habits, but these are foods widely recognised across the UK as affordable, filling, and deeply practical. Tastes vary, prices fluctuate, and opinions differ. But this list reflects what many people consistently turn to when money is tight and hunger is real. Here are 10 cheapest British foods that actually fill you up, arranged from 10 to 1. 10. Baked beans. Few foods are as closely tied to British cupboards as baked beans. Cheap, dependable, and endlessly adaptable, they've been filling stomachs for generations. A basic tin costs little and delivers a surprising amount of substance thanks to the beans themselves, which are rich in fibre and slow-digesting carbohydrates. That combination is exactly what keeps hunger away longer than lighter foods. On toast, with a jacket potato, or straight from the pan, baked beans offer warmth and fullness without demanding much from your wallet. They also pair well with other low-cost staples, making them a cornerstone of budget meals across the UK. While simple, they're not empty food. They provide steady energy and that unmistakable feeling of being properly fed. 9. Porridge oats. Porridge has been a British staple for centuries, and its reputation as a filling food is well earned. Oats are among the cheapest items you can buy in bulk, and a single bowl goes a long way. When cooked, oats absorb liquid and expand, creating a meal that feels substantial despite its low cost. The slow-release nature of oats means they keep you full for hours, which is why porridge has long been associated with long workdays and cold mornings. Whether cooked with water or milk, plain or lightly sweetened, porridge remains one of the most cost-effective ways to start the day feeling genuinely satisfied. 8. Jacket potatoes. The humble potato has always been a hero of British food, and jacket potatoes are proof of how far simple ingredients can go. Potatoes are cheap, widely available, and incredibly filling due to their carbohydrate and fibre content. Baking them enhances their ability to satisfy hunger, especially when eaten hot. Even without expensive toppings, a jacket potato on its own can feel like a full meal. Add a small amount of butter, beans, or leftover vegetables, and you've got a filling dish that costs very little. Potatoes have sustained working families for generations for a reason. They fill you up properly. 7. Lentil soup. While lentils are often associated with many global cuisines, lentil soup has quietly become part of everyday British budget cooking. Lentils are inexpensive, especially when bought dried, and they're known for their ability to satisfy hunger quickly. When cooked into a thick soup, they create a dense, warming meal that feels far more substantial than its price suggests. Lentils absorb flavours well, meaning even basic seasoning can produce a comforting dish. High in fibre and plant protein, lentil soup sits heavily enough to keep hunger away while remaining one of the cheapest meals you can make at home. 6. Egg fried rice. Eggs and rice are both low-cost staples in Britain, and when combined, they create a filling meal that stretches ingredients impressively. Rice expands during cooking, which makes it naturally satisfying, while eggs add richness and staying power. Egg fried rice doesn't require expensive extras to work. Even plain versions deliver warmth, substance, and energy. This dish is especially popular for using leftovers, making it even more economical. The combination of carbohydrates and protein ensures you don't feel hungry again too soon, which is exactly what budget cooking is meant to achieve. 5. Vegetable stew. British vegetable stews have long been built around affordability and fullness. Root vegetables like carrots, potatoes, onions, and swede are among the cheapest items in UK shops, and when slow cooked together, they create a dense, hearty meal. Stews naturally encourage bulk cooking, which reduces cost per portion even further. The liquid content helps the vegetables expand and soften, making the dish feel heavier and more satisfying. A simple vegetable stew doesn't rely on expensive ingredients to work. It relies on time, heat, and humble produce to deliver a meal that genuinely fills you up. 4. Sausage and mash. This classic British comfort food has always been about value as much as taste. Sausages, particularly basic varieties, are relatively inexpensive and high in fat and protein, both of which contribute to feeling full. Mashed potatoes, made from one of the cheapest vegetables available, add bulk and warmth. Together, they create a dish that feels indulgent while remaining affordable. Sausage and mash is filling not just physically but psychologically, delivering that deep satisfaction associated with proper, hearty meals. It's no accident this dish has remained popular through periods when budgets were tight. 3. Cheese on toast. Simple doesn't mean ineffective. Cheese on toast is a low-cost meal that fills you up far more than its appearance suggests. Bread provides carbohydrates that expand in the stomach, while cheese adds fat and protein, both key for satiety. Even a modest portion can hold hunger at bay for hours. This dish has long been a go-to in British homes because it requires few ingredients, minimal preparation, and very little money. When people talk about cheap foods that actually work, cheese on toast consistently earns its place. 2. Beans and rice. While simple, beans and rice together form one of the most filling and economical meals commonly eaten in Britain. Rice is cheap and expands significantly when cooked, while beans provide fibre and substance. Combined, they create a dense, satisfying dish that costs very little per serving. This pairing has become increasingly popular for budget-conscious households because it delivers long-lasting fullness without relying on expensive ingredients. Seasoning can be basic, yet the result still feels like a complete meal rather than a snack. 1. Bread and butter. At the very top of 10 cheapest British foods that actually fill you up is one of the simplest combinations imaginable. Bread and butter has sustained people across Britain for generations, particularly during difficult times. Bread is inexpensive, widely available, and naturally filling due to its carbohydrate content. Butter, used sparingly, adds fat, which significantly increases satiety. Together, they create a food that's surprisingly effective at keeping hunger away. While it may seem basic, its ability to fill you up on very little money is unmatched. This pairing remains a quiet symbol of British practicality and resilience. Cheap food doesn't mean empty food. Britain's everyday staples have always focused on staying power, warmth, and value. From bread and butter to porridge and potatoes, these meals prove that filling your stomach doesn't require spending much. Practical, familiar, and reliable, they remain trusted choices when budgets are tight. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.